Question 1. Aniza deposit RM25,000 at 7% for 8 years. For each respective compounding interest rate, annually, semi-annually, quarterly, and monthly, determine the compound amount and the compound interest amount. Show your calculation in the table form. A. In the table, include the following items. Firstly, the frequency of the compounding is annually. Annually is 1. So, the formula for the rate per period is I equal to K over M. The answer is 0.07. Next, the number of conversation periods. We can use formula N equal to M multiply T. N equal to 1 multiply 8 and get 8. Next, the compound amount can use formula of S equal to P multiplied by the 1 plus I raised to the power of N. S equal to 25,000 that get from answer multiplied by the 1 plus 0.07 raised to the power of 8. And the answer is S equal to 42954.65. Then, the compound interest can use formula I equal to S minus P. I equal to 42954.65 minus 25,000. So, the answer get 17954.65. Next, frequency of compounding for semi-annually is 2. Use the same formula and change the M only. We get answer I equal to 0.035 and N equal to 16. Then use the formula and get answer of S equal to 43349.65. Answer of the compound interest is 18349.65. Then quarterly is M equal to 4 and the answer is 0.0175. Monthly is M equal to 12. I equal to 0.005833. The answer of N is N equal to 32 for quarterly and 96 for monthly. The answer for compound amount is S equal to 43555.34 for quarterly and S equal to 43694.27 for monthly. Lastly, the answer of compound interest is I equal to 18555.34 for quarterly and I equal to 18694.27 for monthly. So this is my answer for question B.
The question A, what is the saving amount left in GME account at the end of 5th year? To solve this question, we need to use formula S equals to P bracket 1 plus I n power. Firstly, we need to calculate amount after 2 years. P equals to 3,500, R equals to 0.05, M equals to 4, T equals to 2. Just add it to the formula and we get a 3,865 ringgit 70 cent. And we need to calculate after withdraw 30% and we get a 2,705 ringgit and 99 cent. Then we need to calculate the amount after another 3 years using remaining principal and we had a new principal which is P equals to 2,705 ringgit 99 cent, T equals to 3, M equals to 4, K equals to 0.05 and just add it to the formula. So the saving amount left in GME account at the end of 5th year is RM 3,140 ringgit 99 cent. For the question B, GME at new deposit at the end of 5 year. GME deposit RM 5,000. So the total principal at the start of the 5 year period from 2025 to 2029 is P equals to 3,140 ringgit 99 cent plus 5,000 equals to 8,140 ringgit 99 cent. Next, calculate the amount after 4 years. P equals to 8,140 ringgit 99 cent, T equals to 4 and just add it to the formula. So the total amount in his saving account on 11 May 2029 is RM 9,931 ringgit 11 cent.
Next, for question 3. A. Find the nominal interest rate. So first, do the timeline so that we won't miss any information. In the text given, P equal to 6,000 ringgit, S equal to 7,929 ringgit and 57 cents for the first 4 years, I equal to 0.045 over 12, and N equal to 48. The formula is S equal to P1 plus I power of N. After that, insert the information into the formula to find the future value for the first 4 years. For the rest of the period, I equal to K over 3 and N equal to 6. So now we have to find the value of I to get the value of K percent. The formula is I equal to power of N square root S over P minus 1 multiplied by 100%. Insert the information and we got I equal to 1.666661%. To get the K, we use the compound interest rate formula, which is I equal to K over M. So the answer is 5%. For B, we have to find the value of T from the first saving. The information given is S equal to 13,090 ringgit and 89 cents for the investment. The formula is S equal to P1 plus I power of N. For this, we use P equal to 6,000 ringgit, 1 plus 0.05 over 3 power of N. To get the value of N, we have to use log. And we got the value of N is 47. N equal to M multiplied by T. To get the value of T, insert the information that we already get. So the answer is 16 years.
Last question. Mr. Ghazali plans to take a personal loan with the amount of 100,000 ringgit from the bank. He has two options, Bank ABM and Bank ECM. Both banks have the criteria that fulfill his need. When compounded monthly, that means M is equal to 12. Find the monthly payment of the loan for each bank. When the question said monthly payment, that means we are focusing on chapter 4 annuity. With monthly payment equal to R. 100,000 ringgit is equal to A because it is the amount of original loan. Nominal interest rate K equal to 0.04 and period T equal to 7 years. Interest for a period I equal to K over M, we get 0.04 over 12. Meanwhile, for number of interest period, N equal to M multiplied by T, so 12 multiplied by 7, the answer is 84. The suitable formula for this question is A equal to R bracket 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative N over I. Just insert the number into the formula and the answer is R equal to 1,366 ringgit 88 cents. Next, for Bank ECM, K equal to 0.045, T equal to 9, so I equal to 0.045 over 12. And for the term N equal to 12 multiplied by 9, the answer is 108. For Bank ECM, we still use the same formula and make sure to insert negative for power of N. Therefore, the answer is R equal to 1,127 ringgit 76 cents. Question 2 Roman 2. Find the amount of interest charged by each bank. In chapter 4, the formula for interest is I equal to R bracket N minus A. Bank ABM, I equal to 1,366 ringgit 88 cents bracket 84 minus 100,000. The interest charge is 14,817 ringgit 92 cents. Bank ECM, I equal to 1,127 ringgit 76 cents bracket 108 minus 100,000. The interest charge for Bank ECM is 21,798 ringgit 8 cents. Question 3 Roman. State the advantages or disadvantages of choosing Bank ABM. Bank ABM has more advantages, which is shorter financing term and the total interest paid over the term is lower. Next, state the advantages or disadvantages of choosing Bank ECM. Bank ECM has more disadvantages due to longer financing term. Additionally, the total interest paid will be higher and also higher interest rate. Question B. Years ago, Mr. Ghazali deposited 1,000 ringgit every 2 months into an investment scheme that offers 4.8% interest compounded every 2 months. If he wishes to obtain 50,000 ringgit, how long will Mr. Ghazali need to invest every 2 months to reach his investment objectives? So we need to find T. But first of all, find N first because N equal to M multiplied by T. R equal to 1,000 ringgit, S equal to 50,000 ringgit, K equal to 0.048, M equal to 6 and I equal to 0.048 over 6. Using formula, S equal to R bracket 1 plus I the power of N minus 1 over I. Insert all the value. To find the n, must include log of logarithm, which is insert log in both number. So it will be log 1.4 equal to log 1.008 power of n. Next, bring the power of n in front of log 1.008, so we can find the n by log 1.4 over log 1.008. Thus, n equal to 42.227. After we got n, insert in formula and the final answer should be t equal to 7.04 years.